Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect iPad to Windows 11 using Apple's iCloud settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your iPad to Windows 11 using Apple's iCloud settings, first ensure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi. On your iPad, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top. Select iCloud from the list of options. Make sure iCloud Drive is turned on. Now, on your Windows 11 PC, open a web browser. Navigate to the iCloud website by typing in iCloud.com. Sign in using your Apple ID and password. If prompted, verify your identity using two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will see various iCloud services. You can access your files, photos, and notes through the available options. To sync files, click on iCloud Drive. Upload any files you want to access on your iPad. Return to your iPad and open the Files app. Tap on Browse at the bottom right of the screen. Select iCloud Drive to see the files you uploaded. For syncing photos, ensure you have iCloud Photos enabled on your iPad. You can check this by going back to Settings, tapping your name, and selecting iCloud. Next, tap on Photos, and verify that iCloud Photos is turned on. On your Windows PC, download and install the iCloud for Windows application. Once installed, open the iCloud app. Sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Check the box next to Photos and any other services you want to sync. Click Apply to save your settings. Your photos will now sync automatically between your iPad and Windows PC. For accessing notes, simply select the Notes option on the iCloud website. Any notes created on your iPad will be accessible here. Make sure you regularly check your iCloud settings for any updates. That's it. You've successfully connected your iPad to Windows 11 using Apple's iCloud settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.